It's Boxycharm day. Okay. Okay. Coco, do you know what today is?
Boxycharm.
It's Boxycharm day. Sorry, it took us a while to get into it, you know what I'm saying? Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, today is Boxycharm day. Now, honestly, I canceled last month for two reasons. One, because lately Boxycharm has just been sucking ASS, and two, because we were supposed to actually move this month. So I have mine set to like no skincare and certain things, and I kept getting things I didn't want. I honestly didn't know that this box was gonna show up. I canceled Ipsy also. I think I canceled that in time to not receive it this month, but this is what showed up randomly. I didn't pick anything because I didn't know that I was even getting it. Anyway, let's get into this box, but before that, let me just say we are going to have a small giveaway today. We just had a giveaway in our TJ Maxx Shop With Me video. I'll link it if you wanna check it out and enter into that one, but we're gonna have a giveaway in today's video also, okay? We're doing giveaway. I don't know, we're not doing that many giveaways. That's a lot of giveaways, okay? But we're doing some giveaways. Anyway, let's jump into it. Okay, we got this card. It's actually pretty. I like the color. I like the color combination. Otherwise, there's a lot of stuff happening there. Let's keep it going. So we did get some brushes from Luxie times somebody. I don't know who the hell this is. Pooch? Is this a Pooch? I have no clue. Hotel something. You get 3 brushes. Let's see. Oh, Por la Noche? I said Pooch. The writing on there looked like Pooch. Okay, whatever. Let's carry on. Okay, $40 value. You get 3 brushes here. Blend, shade, and define your look to perfection with this starter brush set. Covers blah 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 essentials. I'm gonna keep this because you can always use brushes, but I've gotten so many brushes from them that it's absolutely absurd at this point. It says, I literally can't even. I literally can't even. That's me, girl. Okay, we got a brush cleaner, I guess, to go with those 3 brushes. 3 brushes for $40? Jeez Louise. Okay, anyway, this is Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser. It's a spray type of thing, $19. A quick and easy way to cleanse and disinfect your artistry brushes made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers. Blah, blah, blah. Gets the job done. Cruelty-free, satisfying. We'll use it. I bought brush cleansers before and I don't really use them. I normally just use the Dawn Power Wash, but you know, we'll make it work. Then the rest of the stuff is actually going in the giveaway with the other stuff that I picked. So let's get into the giveaway. This was like 3 minutes of let me just show you 2 things. Okay, so this is gonna go into the giveaway. I don't have a need for glosses, and I just bought a bunch of lip balms during the VIB Sephora sale, so we're gonna get rid of these ones. Well, we're not gonna get rid of them. We are going to gift them to one of you wonderful people. This is a $24 value. I was so confused because it's from Nails Inc. And I was like, is this like some oil to put on your cuticles or something? No, it's not. It's a gloss. The glossiest rollerball to date has landed with the crystal rollerball to cool and soothe the lips. Glossy formulation, blah, blah, blah. So $24 for that. Then we have a bronzer, $24 for this bronzer. The thing is, this is the second time that they've sent me a bronzer that is literally my complexion. I'll open it carefully and not touch anything, but I mean, this might even be lighter than, this would never work for me as a bronzer. If it was darker, I would have kept it and tried it out, but sadly, I cannot. It would be a waste. The last one they sent me, I gave to the girls just to play with because I couldn't use it. So far, our giveaway is close to a $50 value, if you want to believe the prices that they're giving us. Okay, then we got $37 Violet Voss palette. This palette's pretty. Do not get me wrong. She is pretty. But what I will say is I have a buttload of palettes, and when it comes time to decluttering, this will be one of the palettes that I would end up decluttering. She's pretty. I think she would be a good travel palette, but I know in the long run I would maybe use this one time. I would maybe swatch it and throw it in the drawer and never use it like most of the other palettes I've gotten from them. I feel like somebody else would put this to use, so that's why it's going into the giveaway. So we're almost at a $90 value, y'all. Then we have a few more items. It's that rare beauty. It's the rare beauty. Like the Christmas tree? Isn't she pretty? Follow us on Instagram so that you can, you know, see, because I showed everyone on Instagram when I was putting it up. Anyway, next thing we have is, almost all of this is from Boxycharm or Ipsy. But anyway, this is the next thing. Complexion Culture Full Out Brow Gel, Tinted Volumizing Brow Gel. This is in the shade Warm Blonde. Obviously, you know the reason why this is going in there, because I'm not warm blonde here. I'm not a warm blonde. Who's calling me? Oh my God. My friend Natalie is calling me. She's like an influencer on Instagram. Seriously, y'all. Hello? Hey girl, I'm filming right now. Can I call you back? Okay. Is everything okay? Oh shit, okay. Yeah, she's seriously, she's like an influencer on Instagram, and I'm over here like, I post once a month. Anyway, let's carry on. We have the iconic London Triple Threat Mascara. This is in the shade Black. Y'all know I get my lashes done, and I have literally in this little, just this little drawer, all of these mascaras. So I don't need more, and generally this is the one I use because I just use it on the bottom. And then we have this palette here. It is the Ace Beauté Falling For You palette. I honestly don't even remember what this looks like. I just know that I had put it in the giveaway drawer. Let's look at it and see why I put it in the giveaway drawer. No, she's actually really pretty, but looking at this, I can say this is probably something that I would end up decluttering. I may use once or twice, but it's not something that I know I would keep, so that's probably why it was in the drawer. It's just, I'm trying not to be wasteful anymore. I'm trying not to keep things that I don't need, especially with us moving and the fact that I'm gonna be packing all of my makeup. Movers will be packing our house, but I will not be trusting them to pack my makeup. So I'm trying to declutter. We're doing the giveaways. We're getting rid of stuff just to, let's minimize. What is it? Let's become minimalist in some sense of like a makeup addict minimalist is, we're in between. We're not in between. We're trying to get there. Okay, then we have this. It was a TJ Maxx buy, $5.99, so $6. It is a Stila Shine lip vinyl in Horsepower. Shade is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'll show you really quickly. I find this shade often too, but just look how beautiful she is. And I feel like you get like a ton of product. This is a heavy duty, beautiful packaging. And then the last thing was a random buy from Marshall's for $10. I already have this and I absolutely love it. I bought another one just because I couldn't pass it up for $10, but going with the spirit of decluttering and clearing our lives out, we're going to get rid of this untouched one. So these are cream shadows. That's what it looks like. They're beautiful, very pigmented, gorgeous. So that's going in there. I don't know the total of this box, but let's just say it's $1,000. It's not $1,000. I don't know. I don't know the total of it, but you know, it's just a small giveaway. A little appreciation and thank you to all of you who have been with us for, you know, a few years now that we've been doing this. Let's go over how to enter into the giveaway. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your Instagram handle or name or whatever you want to call it, and then go over to our Instagram, follow us there. I will announce the winner. Let me find a date here because the other giveaway is ending on the 30th. So let's just have them all end on the 30th. Okay, yeah, let's just go with the 30th. So I will go to Instagram. I will find you. I'll click on like people that follow me, followers. Type your name in. I will message you. I will let you know that you are the winner. You can give me your address. Most of the time when I do these giveaways, the first or second person whose name I pull, they don't actually follow me, so I can't message them. Like I can't just go to follow, type them in. And then there have been times where I just didn't even get the right name, like they didn't type the right name. And so in the comments, anyway, just make sure, like, subscribe, comment Instagram name, go to Instagram, follow. If you don't respond in a few days, I'll just move on to the next person. Let's go ahead and end this now. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, all those good things. Bye! Oh, hi Coco. Okay, you do it.
I don't know.
The greatest roller block. I literally can't even.
No, I'm not.
Oh, why are you pulling out all my, no, put all my blushes back, dude.
I want to.
No, okay, put the rest of them back.
Mama, look at me.
Oh yeah, I see you. That's beautiful.
Red and put
rockabye baby.
and put
Oh, did Tita make you Harley Quinn with blue and red?
Oh, no, I don't.
Okay. Here you go.
No, that's dirty.
It's not dirty.
Hello.
Hello. Make sure that you, I don't know where I was. Coco, stop putting all my makeup in your thing. This is Mama's. You cannot put it in your makeup case, okay? Can you put it back in the drawer for me, please?
No.
Thank you, ma'am.
Doing.
Okay, let's go over how to enter in.
Wi-Fi network. You can reconnect to Wi-Fi from your Google Home app under Devices, then Setup.
Thank you.
Um.
Shh, you got a lot going on.
Yeah.